Hello, this is Joan of Art and we are dining out. Our Ilonggo word for tonight is BALA. Now Holger here is learning how to speak Ilonggo. And one important word for an Ilonggo, a genuine, authentic Ilonggo speaker must know how
BALA.
to use the word
BALA. BALA.
Yes, BALA. So, what's BALA? What is BALA?
I can't remember, but I told her that BALA BALA in German means to be an idiot. BALA BALA BALA.
Unfortunately, well, but in Ilonggo, BALA doesn't have to be an idiot. Although, you can say that, you are an idiot, BALA.
Ako ay idiot BALA.
Oo, gid BALA. So, Tony, what do you think, what is the meaning of BALA in Ilonggo?
BALA. BALA.
What does BALA mean? Hindi BALA? Oh, BALA. So what does it mean? Why do we use BALA in our language?
I don't know.
Oh, well.
I don't know BALA. Diba?
We have a new victim coming, and that is Zara.
Zara. What does BALA mean? Hindi BALA. Dali, BALA.
We need support. It's not.
Ano ang meaning sang BALA? What do you mean when you say BALA?
Bala, it's yes.
Sort of, yes. It's like an affirmation. Oo, BALA.
Yes.
It has no direct translation in English. That's why
Can I
you're
eat
very
now?
Ilonggo when you say
Where are we?
BALA.
We are the N Bistro.
We are here at Basta. And what is this?
This mine.
Porchetta.
What's yours?
Porchetta. BALA. Kanamit gid sina. BALA.
Kanamit digni bala.
Kanamit gid ni BALA.
Namit bala.
Vietnamese spring roll.
Namit
and
bala.
seafood alio olio. Kaon ta BALA?
And it looks heavy, but it's not.
So it's chicharon made by Dan. Dan?
Dan is our man.
Hello, Dan is our man. So what
Let's have
can
the
you
crunch.
say? So crunchy in Ilonggo means hagpok. So that's very crunchy. I'm running a YouTube Ilonggo tutorial channel. So that's why I'm translating all the Ilonggo words.
No, Dan told us that. What?
How do you prepare? Why is this chicharon so different from the other chicharons that I know?
Well, we basically follow the same standards of how
The traditional
the
chicharon
traditional people
is?
have been doing it. But basically, our advantage that we have here is that we get our pork skin as fresh as possible, and then we process it as fast as possible,
Wow.
so that we can dehydrate it, and then after dehydration for at least 24 hours, that's when we deep fry it and then season it right away.
So you can actually hear the ragumo or the crispness of this chicharon. Ragumo is another word that you have to remember.
Crackling.
The crackling of the chicharon. See? You can hear the ragumo.
Bali.
Namit.
Namit. Now it looks rather not namit. It doesn't look, for me, appealing. But it's light,
It's light,
it's
yes.
crispy,
Crispy.
and it's not overbearing. It's really just a snack. Goes well with, I guess, a cold beer. And I'm not much of a pork eater.
Surprisingly, appreciating
my
pork.
third or fourth serve.
Well, thank you very much,
you
Dan.
so
You have
much.
been so generous.
Of course.
Beautiful.
Kaon na ta? Kaon na ta bala? So, this is Joan of Art, and see you once again in our next video. Bye-bye na bala. Kaon na ta bala?